you how to see who viewed your profile. On Facebook, first of all, open your Facebook app in your mobile device, and after that, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that option. Over here on the top, you can see this Sharon option. Tap on the account over there, and right beside it, we could see the three dot icon beside the edit profile. Tap on that option as well. Over here on the bottom, we could see the turn on professional mode. Tap on that. Tap on the turn on, and after that on the bottom, we could see continue. Select that. To simply prefer going back as well, and what you have to do is over here we could see tap on the see dashboard and scroll a bit down. Right over here we could see the see more insights. Go to that option, and on the bottom we could see the followers. There's how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.